What's going on, internet? Marcus here from Soul of the Game, and got a whole bunch of color here in front of me. I'm going to go ahead and rip another one of these Panini Mosaic blasters. Just a quick little one box break. So far, say I'd have a pretty good amount of luck coming out of these. Just one single pack. This actually doesn't seem like much on the back, but Vince Carter base is the only Team USA card that I'm missing out of the, I think there was 10 of them. Anywho, let's see if this is worth it. DJ Augustine, Brown, Galloway, Lillard, Ingles, Grant, Ben Simmons, Wendell Carter, Jackson Hayes rookie. That's the variation. Looks good. Kevin Durant green. Nice looking card. I do believe, actually right there is the, got the orange, and I do believe I have the regular Mosaic as well, so alright. Steven Adams, Jimmy Butler, Larry Nance, and Victor Oladipo. Jam Masters, Jason Richardson, Kyle Guy, nice, John Morant debut, and Cody Martin rookie, and the Vince Carter Team USA. Alright, these are probably the two biggest cards from it, and both actually look pretty good, so you know what, I'm going to go ahead and grab another box. So the one box break turned into a two box break in a hurry. I usually wouldn't use scissors, but these ones are kind of a pain in the ass to get into. A little bit easier that way. Let's see if we can get something big. Patty Mills, Jeff Teague, Anthony Davis, Giannis, Ayton, Miles Turner, Gallinari, Portis, Russell Westbrook, and Kenrick Williams, Kyle Lowry, Jonas, nice, Luka Doncic orange, Evan Fournier, DeMar DeRozan, green Anthony Davis Jam Masters, very nice, Admiral Schofield, and Kobe White, and Terrence Mann, Oscar Robinson. Alright, another good break. I'm probably most happy about this Luka Reactive Orange. Biggest reason is because I already have the green, pink, Mosaic, and the regular. Alright, hey, thanks a lot for watching.